What if your cybersecurity training actually felt like a real attack instead of a boring compliance exercise? I recently had a conversation about using AI to run immersive tabletop exercises, and honestly, it feels like a major shift in how we prepare teams for real incidents. Most training today is predictable. Phishing simulations, annual modules, check the box, move on. But real incidents, they're messy, fast, and full of uncertainty. Now imagine this, an AI-driven simulation that adapts in real time based on your team's decisions. You escalate too late, the breach spreads. You miscommunicate, leadership gets conflicting information. Just like real life, no script, no reset button. This isn't just smarter training, it's more human training. Not everyone learns the same way. AI can adjust pacing, presentation, and complexity in real time. That means better accessibility for people with ADHD, dyslexia, or different learning styles. This is where things really change. We move from compliance-driven training to building real-world skills, decision-making, communication, and response under pressure. Phishing campaigns still matter, but they don't teach you how to lead during a crisis. Immersive exercises do. We're heading toward continuous simulations, role-based scenarios, and AI acting as both attacker and coach. Training won't be something you do once a year. It'll be something you experience regularly, but AI shouldn't replace humans entirely. The real learning still happens in the debrief, where teams reflect, align, and improve. This feels like a shift from knowing what to do to actually being ready when it matters. Curious, how are you thinking about AI in incident response training? Drop your thoughts below.